The smartphone era is officially on life support. For over a decade, we have been slaves to the glowing rectangle in our pockets. But as we sit here in 2026, the funeral for the handheld device is being planned in the secret labs of Menlo Park. Mark Zuckerberg isn't just building a new gaming headset. He is building the everything device. The Meta Quest 4 is the most ambitious, most expensive, and most dangerous gamble in the history of reality labs. It is a device designed to move your digital life from a screen in your palm to the very air in front of your eyes. For years, VR was a niche hobby for gamers. Then the Apple Vision Pro arrived and made spatial computing a status symbol. But now the Quest 4 is here to bring that future to the masses. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a total reimagining of human interaction. This is the story of the Meta Quest 4, and why it is about to change your reality forever. To understand the magnitude of the Quest 4, you have to understand the pressure Meta is under. Apple raised the bar to a level that seemed impossible. They gave us 4K micro-LEDs and eye tracking that felt like telepathy. For the last 2 years, the Quest 3 was the affordable alternative, but it still felt like a toy compared to the Vision Pro. The Quest 4 changes that narrative. The leaks coming out of the supply chain describe a device that is no longer a budget option. It is a flagship beast. The headline feature, the one that is sending shockwaves through the industry, is the move to a split architecture design. Rumors suggest the Quest 4 offloads its battery and primary compute engine to a dedicated external puck, or a rear-mounted battery system. This allows the headset itself to be incredibly light, reportedly under 200 grams. If you've ever felt the neck strain of a Quest 3 after an hour of play, you know why this is a revolution. Meta is finally making a headset you can wear all day. But a light headset is useless without a stunning view. The Quest 4 is moving to dual 3.5K OLED on-silicon displays. We are talking about a jump in pixel density that effectively kills the screen door effect forever. But it's not just the resolution, it's the optics. Meta is reportedly using a new generation of hyperpancake lenses that offer a 120-degree field of view. When you put this headset on, the black borders of the virtual world disappear. You aren't looking through a mask anymore. You are simply there. And for the first time in a standard Quest model, eye tracking is becoming the default. This enables dynamic foveated rendering, allowing the headset to focus all its power exactly where your eyes are looking. It's a trick that makes mobile hardware look like a high-end PC. Under the hood, we are looking at the Snapdragon XR3 Gen 2. This chip is a monster. It's built on a 3nm process that prioritizes AI and mixed reality passthrough. The passthrough on the Quest 3 was a grainy, wobbly mess compared to real life. On the Quest 4, the cameras are 48-megapixel sensors with dedicated depth sensing hardware. The result? A digital version of your room that is indistinguishable from reality. You can read the fine print on your physical watch, you can see the texture of the fabric on your couch, and you can interact with holograms that cast real-world shadows. This is the moment mixed reality stops being a marketing buzzword and starts being a tool for everyday life. But Zuckerberg's real secret weapon isn't the screen or the chip. It's the